Click off this video, please go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click that subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video here on YouTube. And go follow my beauty Instagram at _Hailey'sBeauty_. And please go share this video, like and comment. It would mean a lot to me if you would share it. Let's show your friends, share this video. Anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get started. Hello my beautiful subscribers. So today I am doing my current spring makeup routine, even though I don't really wear makeup a whole lot anymore. I mean this much makeup anymore, because I just been really, well, one, my skin has been going really crazy with this weather, and it's changing weather, so my skin is my eczema is acting up, so I have little bumps on my face and it's itchy. And also I'm just liking my all natural eyes, face and stuff, and being all natural, and I'm just too lazy to put on makeup. Literally the only times I put on makeup is on the weekends when I go out with my friends, but that's it. But that's gonna change next year when I'm in college, because I'll be out every single day. But anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's get started. So I'm taking my Tarte's Pro palette, and I'm taking the color Innocent, and putting that in my crease as a transition shade. You guys already know that that's what I do. My controller just fell out. But yeah, I'm just taking that and putting that in my crease, and blending that all together, because that's what I do. I don't know about you guys, but do you guys notice that Tarte's palettes smell like chocolate? I don't know, because I have it right in front of me right now, and that's what I'm smelling, is legit chocolate when I open it. But hey, I'm not complaining. I'd rather it smell like chocolate than eyeshadow smell. So I'm just blending that and using that as a transition shade, because that's how we do. Then I'm taking Whimsy, I think I'm saying that right, and also putting that in my crease and blending it. Then I'm taking Mod and also putting that on my outer V / crease area. Sorry this is so choppy, and sorry if I missed, while editing this, I missed showing the one eye. It's just that it was so long and there was so much unnecessary footage in there, and I think I messed up a little bit. I was trying to unchop it. But next I'm taking Drama, Vamp, and No Filter and putting that on my outer V / blending it into my crease. But yeah, like I was saying, there's so much extra unnecessary footage, because me being the perfectionist I am with things. Sorry if you heard that. That was I accidentally touched something on Instagram. But there's so much unnecessary footage that I had to edit a lot out, and then I got confused. So hopefully I included both sides of me doing each eye. But basically, it's common sense to know when you do one on the other eye, you gotta do the same on the other side. So yes. Then I'm blending that out, and then I'm taking Cranberry from MAC and also putting that on my outer V. Just give it an extra shimmer. And now I'm blending that all together. now I'm taking this darker shade. I think it's not sketchy, is it? I don't remember what that shade is from MAC that I put on. I'm Not Into It by MAC, and I also put that on my outer V and to define it a little bit more. Going back with the other eye, fixing it up, because I'm a perfectionist, you guys already know that. Then I'm taking Smoked from the Tarteist Pro palette and just putting that on like the outer lash line. Like I'm not putting on my whole lash line, only putting like on the outer part to darken it up a little bit. And then I am, let's see what I'm doing here. I should have edited that part out. Oh well. But then I'm taking my MAC 224 and just blending all my outer shadows together because we don't want no harsh lines. So yeah. And then I'm taking my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm putting that under my eyes as usual. I didn't put foundation on, but I did put primer on before this to make the contour, the bronzer to stick. So that's why, if you're wondering. So yeah. Then I'm just blending that out the wrong way. You're not supposed to use your finger and rub like that, but couldn't help it, guys. I need to get Beauty Blender for blending out my eyes, and then one for blending out foundation stuff, and one for powder and stuff. But then I'm taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder and putting that under my eyes. And technically, this is like my March favorite, so I might call this my spring makeup routine featuring my March favorites, because this is usually, if I did put on makeup, this is what I wore throughout March. So that's cool. Even though like the beginning of March I used my MAC palettes a lot and used a lot of MAC products, but in the middle of March I basically used this for the rest of March. So yeah, but I didn't want to show my MAC stuff because I'm like, I show this in like every favorite, so I figured you guys already know what it looks like and stuff from same shades and stuff. But I'm just putting Hoola bronzer on and putting that on my cheeks to kind of contour. And just perfecting that because I'm a perfectionist and I can't ever just leave things be. Then I'm taking MAC's Mocha Blush and putting that on my cheeks. Give it a little more pink. And for some reason on like camera, like my contour looks so harsh, but like in person it didn't. So I don't know why it's showing up so harsh and like mud is on my face. But I promise you, in person it's definitely not like that. Then I am taking Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy palette. Amrezy highlighter, and putting that on my cheekbones. I don't know, that's not your cheekbones. I don't know what they can. Then I'm taking MAC's, I think it's called Plumful lipstick, and putting that on my lips. I forgot to bring it over here, but yeah, I forgot to bring it over, but yeah, I think it's Plumful. I know it's Plum something. Makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that notification bell to get notified every time I post a video here on YouTube, and go follow my beauty Instagram at _Hailey'sBeauty_. Thanks guys, I love you, bye!